Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create and send PayPal invoices. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course if you want you can download the application on the Google Play Store or the App Store. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home screen, we have the send, wallet, activity, and help buttons, and we have some other buttons here. As you can see, the send requests and other options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create and send PayPal invoices. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So, log into your PayPal business account and click Tools. Then go in, when you click on Tools, you click on your tools, then just go on Invoicing, create invoice, and add your receptionist email address, customer details, items, quantity, and price, and then click Send. Then you have the other option, which you can use the PayPal app and tap Request and send invoices to get paid, fill in the details, and tap Send. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.